Hello everyone, welcome. This is Naija Auto, and the clip you are going to see is to help you make bookings for Peace Mass Transit. Now, to get started, we advise that you use the Peace Mass Transit URL, which is pmc.ng. You put it up there in the search bar, and that should bring you down to this homepage. You find it. Fine. Now to get started, we expect that you have a location you're heading to and that you're coming from somewhere. Now let's say you are traveling from Calabar. You're traveling from Calabar here down to Lagos, for instance, and you intend to make your trip on the 4th. So you are asked here to input CAPTCHA, which is just to make sure you are not the machine that is making this booking. That's it. Let's find a bus. Do we have a bus? Yes, we do have a bus. We have a bus moving by 6 a.m. in the morning. So let's pick a seat. Here you have a number of seats. So we normally advise that people who experience motion sickness should avoid the back seats. You rather go for the seats up here in front, which expands your view of the road. Now let's pick this one. Now let's pay for seats. So I'll make use of my own details here for ease of this video. Now let's go down. Pay for booking. And we want to make the payment here on this page. So that should take us to a payment platform where we could input our card data. So here we want to pay with card. I will rather input my card details for ease of this video, so that we make it quite easy and fast. Very well. Your card number are the digits you find in front of your card, and your CVV number are actually the 3 digits you find behind your card. That's it for now. Good. So pay. Let's hang on and wait for the payment platform to upload. Now you are supposed to input your card PIN. Card PIN are the 4 digits that has been given to you, or that you chose rather. So that secret number you always use with your ATM, you put it there. That is mine. Let's wait for it to load up. So normally that should take us to a page where you'll be requested to input an OTP, a one-time payment code. That one-time payment code must have been sent to you as a text message, right? You click proceed. That one-time payment code must have been sent to you as a text message. The moment you get that PIN, what you do next is to just input the PIN and press send. With that, you have been able to make your booking. Let's hang on. That is, PIN has come in, the code has come in there. Let's hang on so that you have a view of it. Now this is it. Let me expand this for you to see. So from here you could input that PIN that was sent to you and click submit. From there you'll be charged the exact amount for that trip, and you head with that online payment receipt that will be sent to you to the terminal, and you could easily make your trip. We are hoping this clip must have been very helpful to you in making your bookings, and we hope you have a wonderful trip.